If you're looking for a practice that improves your focus and also helps you connect more to the present moment, then I have a very simple meditation that I want to share with you today. I'm Jen Hanover, and I am the owner of Studio B in Los Cabos, where I do what's called breath and brainstorm sessions with entrepreneurs and creatives who are basically looking to refine their vision and understand how they can put all the ideas that they have into practice in their regular day lives. And what I find almost every single client that I work with wants to incorporate meditation into their schedule. They know it can improve their focus. They know that it can help them to calm down. It can reduce stress. It can do so many different things to aid and help their mental health, but they don't really know where to start. So I wanted to create this video because I've been doing meditation for a very long time. The first Vipassana meditation course that I did was in 2005. This may be an unpopular opinion, might even be a little bit controversial, but I think that a lot of meditation that people end up stumbling upon, whether it's on the internet or through a friend or through a yoga studio, can actually work in the opposite direction that they want it to. Because what we want to do is be less scattered, but the meditation and finding what works for us in itself can actually make us more scattered just because we don't really know what to do. So that's the intention of this particular practice, is to clear away anything that you think meditation might be and just keep coming back to this very simple practice that I'm going to teach you right now. So the practice is called Anapana meditation. And if you ever get to do a 10-day Vipassana course, which is an absolutely beautiful experience, the Vipassana Center is basically a 10-day program that is run on donation exclusively. So there are centers all over the world. They are extremely popular. They book up very quickly. And the whole intention behind it is that when you finish your course, you pay a donation that then goes and helps other people to be able to come and do and learn their meditation. So it incorporates this philanthropic, magnanimous quality into your learning that is very beautiful and adds so much to the experience. When you do a course, it's a 10-day program. There is 11 hours of sitting meditation. It's very intense, but also it's very strict, it's very intense, but it's also extremely peaceful. You're not allowed your phone. You're not allowed to talk. It's actually like you take a vow of silence, and there's no reading, there's no writing. So in that way, it's very strict. But conversely, and at the same time, it's also a huge relief because there's no pressures from the outside world coming at you. So for the first 3 days of your Vipassana meditation course, you do what is called Anapana meditation. And Anapana at its core is meditation in its very essence, because there's no visualization. There's nothing external coming in. And the objective is not to change your state. It's not to reduce anxiety. It's not to do anything other than to train your mind to connect to the present moment through your breath coming in and out through your nose. So it's very grounding, it's very stabilizing, it's excellent for focus, and it's also very challenging. So we're going to do that right now. And I'm actually just in Canada right now. I live in Mexico, but I'm here. My sister's allowing me to stay at her beautiful home, and I don't have a studio like I normally have. So welcome to our living room. We've got the kitchen in the background here. And part of the beauty of this situation is that Anapana can be practiced anywhere. The one that we're going to do today is going to be with your eyes closed, or the invitation is to close your eyes. You're welcome to keep them open if you don't like closing your eyes. That's a thing. But what I want to encourage you to do after you understand the technique itself and how you can do it in a sitting meditation with your eyes closed, I want you to also really, really remember and understand that you can incorporate this meditation and this technique into any area of your life simply by bringing your awareness to the area above your upper lip and below your nostrils. Okay, so if you're at home with me right now, whether maybe you're at your desk, maybe you're working, I'm just going to invite you to close your eyes and find a comfortable position. Okay, now once you've done that, I just want you to know that it is very normal for your mind to wander, for little voices to come up that are criticizing what you're doing right now. And all of that is exactly the reason why it is so important to do a practice like this. There's so many things coming at us every single day. And what you're doing is training yourself to be present in the moment, using a tool that you have access to every single moment of every day, and that's your breath. So with your eyes closed, find a comfortable seat. And just to bring yourself into your body, I'm going to encourage you to feel the pressure of your bum or your hips or whatever it is, the back in your chair. So just feel that. Now, very gently, I want you to bring your awareness to the area above your upper lip and below your nostrils. And just observing that space, try to feel your inhale and your exhale passing through your nose. And whenever your mind wanders away, keep coming back. Just keep breathing. I'm going to talk you through this. So in the beginning, it's normal for the mind to wander away. In fact, I've been doing this for almost 20 years, and my mind still wanders all the time. To start, be aware that the breath itself is passing in and out through your nose. And if you can, start to feel the touch of the breath underneath your nostrils. And just notice the habit pattern of your mind, especially these days, to wander away, and you keep coming back over and over again. When your mind does wander, there's no need to be hard on yourself. Gently, compassionately, in a friendly way, keep coming back. And very slowly, just bring your awareness back to the pressure of your hips against the floor and the chair, wherever you're sitting. You can maybe move your shoulders a little bit of gentle movement. And whenever you're ready, just slowly open your eyes. And that was a very short version of Anapana meditation. But even in doing this video with you guys right now, it's so fascinating because I find I feel more calm. And again, it's important that we're not trying to induce a state. We're not trying to change anything. But what we are trying to do is bring our awareness more fully to the present moment so we can understand the reality of what exactly is going on for us in this moment. and to keep coming back. It's so simple, but it's very profound. And go off on a little bit of a tangent here, guys, just for the moment. But I find that there's so many things in pop culture, pop psych, self-help, professional and personal development that is adding into our minds, right? We're trying to learn this and learn this. And what this particular version and this simplicity of this practice and this technique does is it helps us to empty the mind. So we're not taking our mind away. We're not trying to empty out our thoughts. What we are doing is a positive action of bringing the awareness to the area under the nostrils and above the upper lip. So I hope this video has been helpful for you. It's going to be the first in a series of many that I'm going to do. And ultimately, whether you're trying to improve your concentration, whether you're trying to change the way you eat, maybe you're trying to exercise, to understand the emotional component of how your mind, your body, your soul, your emotions, how those affect the way that you move through your everyday is so freaking intelligent. Because if you're trying to make a change and you're having a hard time making that change, why is that? A lot of the time, it's because of the feelings. So many feelings all the time, especially these days. Those of us who are more sensitive, it's very challenging. So if we're feeling something, cool, of course, we don't want to shy away from that. We don't want to numb from that. We don't want to go into old addictive patterns. What we want to do is liberate ourselves. We want to understand ourselves from an emotional standpoint, say, okay, why am I feeling this anxiety right now? Why am I feeling this sadness right now? And from there, we can bring our minds to the present moment and just come back, right, to what is true, what is real, and what is wholesome, which is your breath. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me. My website is jenhanover.com, or you can leave a comment down below and I would be happy to answer in the comments. Okay, thank you again. And I hope this is of service to you in some way. Bye.